Pragtige oggend weer hier binne in Parys, binne in die Vredefort koepel en hierdie spesiale plek, gesofistikeerde plekkie, Dark Chocolate Cafe. En is lekker om hier te wees. Thank you, Gift.
Thank you, Daddy. How are you, sir?
I'm very well, and the atmosphere at Dark Chocolate is, as always, spectacular.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You got a brand new menu.
Yes, sir.
Let's run through this menu, the Dark Chocolate Cafe menu, Gift. You know the menu.
Yes, sir.
On the breakfast, which one would you suggest? Which one would you suggest to have?
Okay, Daddy, we have the lazy Madame Monsieur. This is the biggest breakfast we have because it offers everything. And then we have the Summer Berry Royal, which is fruity and nicey.
The Summer Berry Royal is that beautiful,
French
With-
toast with berries, bananas, and syrup, sir. And it is very nice.
excellent. This is that rarige menu. The omelettes is very, very popular here at Dark Chocolate.
Yes, and that the ladies are doing nice things with the omelette because you get to choose your fillings. You can have your omelette and then you choose whatever you want to have.
On your lunch menu,
Yes, Daddy.
give us your advice. Which one would you take?
The Queen of Tart. This is the popular dish we have, and our quiche. It is very nice, but the Queen of Tart, we are the only place that serves Queen of Tart. It is very different, so you can come and try it any day you like.
Exclusive.
Thank you, Daddy. And the Croque Monsieur Poulet, that's our creamy chicken mayo toast. You get to choose your fillings. You can get fries or salad.
The name itself makes it sounds very
It is
delicious.
very nice, Daddy.
And there's still more on your
On
your
our
main
lunch,
menu.
yes, and then we still continue. We have the off with the head burger, with this chicken fillet. You get to choose between fries or salad as well. With this pot pie with our lamb, lasagna, little bit of Italy. You also get to choose whether you want fries or you can get the salad.
And then that speciality, the dark chocolate speciality, the cakes.
That day we still on that number one with the cakes. The most selling on our cakes, chocolate brown baked cheesecake and the chocolate cake, and we also have our lemon meringues, two of those, the baked cheesecake and the normal one.
You can get per slice, or you can even get a whole
Yes,
cake.
sir, just 2 to 4 days or 3, then you get your whole cake.
3 to 4 days in
Just
advance,
place your order in advance and then you'll have your full cake.
and you will have your whole cake.
Thank you, Daddy.
Specialities. Very nice cappuccinos in a cone.
Yes, sir, remember we are dark chocolate after all. So you get your shot of a chocolate, melted chocolate, and then we have cappuccino in a cone, Belgium hot chocolate with just a bar of a dark chocolate, sir.
Excellent. Cold beverages, it's the standard. You've got everything that's
Everything that they-
available. And then a big add-on, the kiddies menu.
Yes, sir, this one is new. We didn't have this one before, but we remember those little ones. So you can get them the breakfast, the toasties, the milkshakes, the cold drinks, whatever you can choose for them, and the juices as well.
Excellent. As usual,
Thank you, Daddy.
dark chocolate is spectacular, and thank you for your welcoming attitude, Gift.
Thank you, sir.
Moet dit nie mis nie, dark chocolate in Parys is 'n bestemming.